It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today, I'm going to be trying a brand I've never tried before, and that is Lunar Tides. I'm going to be using Coral, Neon Lime, Amethyst Purple, and Beetle Green. This is what all the shades look like swatched. Super pretty, very summer vibes going on. But I did go ahead and alter the coral shade a little bit. I wanted it to look just a bit more brighter and more on the pink side rather than orange. So I did add in another brand that's new to me, and that is Kiss Atomic Pink. I mixed some of this in and gave it a more pink shade, and this is what the final shades look like swatched that I'll be using today. I don't really have a specific technique I'm going to be using. I think I'm just going to be doing like random chunks around my head, and I will put up the middle and clip that apart and do that all one color just because it's going to be parted like this and I want it to kind of flow over the rest of it. That's what I'm going to do. If that sounds interesting, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and get into it.
피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 drip해 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 drip해 나는 drip해 피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 drip해 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 drip해 나는 trippin' Yellow pina colada 말고는 헤네시의 콜라타 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말투를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls don't talk to me on IG but 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin 햇살에는 하얀 skin 만질래 so come and sit 내 차 안에서 하자 kiss 한색의 바리 안에 숨겨놓은 line I only want 바지를 내려놔 우리 엄마가 들으면 안 되지만 네가 들으면 해서 난 라임을 따 이번 여름에 마셨던 술은 다 너를 보기 전에 니나 버드카 내년 여름에 나 피냐콜라다 내 옆에 피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 drip해 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 trippin' 나는 trippin'
자기야 나를 좀 봐봐 아무리 그래도 취하면 곤란해 드링크에 피나콜라다 맘에 안 들어도 마지막 잔이야 잠시만 나가서 걷자 오늘이 아마도 여름의 마지막 밤이야 지나갈 가슴 조금은 가슴에 담고서 우리의 추억을 만들자 I'm so fucking honest 매일 감성적이야 왜 이리 너는 몰라 인스타 감성 따윈 아무것도 아니지 뻔한 이야기를 하려는 게 아니라 I just wanna talk about you 올리는 게 아니라 말하고 싶어 I love you 말하고 싶어서 love you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 이 여름에 그절하게 내게 말해줘 내일도 나는 아니 영원으로 I promise you 다시 한 번 더 I love you 그 웃음에 나는 fall in love with you
Alright, everything's applied. I'm gonna let this sit for 30-45 minutes, somewhere in there, and rinse in cold water and be back with the results. Here we are, finished result, and I freaking love it. I even did my makeup. I even did pink lipstick, which I like never do. But I feel like Lisa Frank and Lady Glitter Sparkles all rolled into one right now. I'm here for it. I am so here for it. Look how bouncy it is. I love this so much. This is my favorite thing I've done in a while. Also, I'm fixing to be reviewing Strawberry Leopard's new hair product line, which means I get to keep this for a little while. I pre-filmed this like so far in advance. I have like videos for over a month already ready to go. So I have quite a bit of time that I could keep this. And I'm pretty happy about that. I'm glad I chose to do this color instead of something else I was thinking about doing, but that will just have to wait for later. For now, I'm going to enjoy this for at least a few weeks, and yeah. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.